Hello and welcome to this tutorial number 4. This is Guillaume speaking again, and today we will install our first Octoperf agent together. The Octoperf on-premise agent can be used to generate load and monitor servers when your application is not public, or when testing in a private environment. The on-premise agent allows to run the test with Octoperf anyway. To create an agent, we need to go to the on-premise page in our Octoperf account. Here we can create a new provider. The most important setting will be the amount of memory allocated to machines inside this provider. If we are comfortable with JMeter, we can go to the advanced memory settings and change them. Otherwise, it is best to keep the default values. Then we can define different regions that will be useful if we plan on installing agents in different networks. When the provider is created, there is an option to install a new agent right here. First, we select the region in which we want to create this agent. Then we are given the two command lines to get it running. Octoperf agents are easier to install on Linux, but we can install one on Windows or Mac OS using Kitematic. Note that an Octoperf agent requires two ports to be opened in order to function properly. The port 8080 to rancher.octoperf.com, as can be seen in the command line. This one will be used during the installation of the agent. The other is the port 443 to app.octoperf.com. This one will be used for all the metrics gathered by the agent. These two ports must be opened from the agent to our servers, since an outgoing connection will be less of a security issue. That being said, I have a Linux VM running on which we can install the agent. Docker is already installed here, so I will just run the agent command line right away. The installation process takes a bit of time to download the different files. Once installed, a quick docker ps-a shows that we now have a set of containers running. Back in Octoperf, we can see our agent running, which means we can also create a monitoring agent on this machine. It's a simple process since it only requires a click here and to select the region. And in the background, a new container dedicated to monitoring will be created. Now we are ready to proceed with the rest of our test campaign. Thanks for following, I hope this was useful. And as usual, feel free to comment if you have any question, and keep in mind the built-in chat is the shortest way to contact us. Next time we will define a monitor together. Thanks for watching, take care, bye bye.